This video covers the different information pulled by the agent and the actions that can be performed. Here is an example of a Windows asset. The Asset Details page is designed in such a way that all information that the technician requires is right under one tab. To begin with, the asset name can be edited at the top and the status of the asset along with the last sync time is displayed. The client, site and requester of the asset can also be changed. The Summary tab shows the current health of the asset including the CPU usage, patch status, antivirus, BitLocker information, make and model and so on. In addition to the default information displayed, you can also create custom fields to store extra information. These custom fields can be populated manually or via a script. The right side of the Summary tab shows the asset activity. This logs every action from a script being executed, a patch schedule going through, an alert triggered and also the last logged in information. More in-depth information is shown on the Details tab. You can perform actions like killing processes, seeing the disk volume partition or viewing internal IP or MAC address, among a few. Next, the Apps tab allows you to perform further actions on the asset. The list of all processes running on the asset as well as the services are displayed here, both of which can be actioned. Additionally, all software installed on the asset are displayed. Further, you can also see all managed software. Managed software are the ones that are installed via SuperOps software managed module. These software can be installed, updated and uninstalled through policies. Apart from viewing information, SuperOps.ai also has background tools that would make it easy for the technicians to access the asset without disturbing the user. The first in line is the Registry Editor, followed by the Remote File Explorer, both of which mimic functionalities as would be present upon physical access of the asset. The third one is the terminal or the command line interface, supported for both system, as well as logged-in user. These can be initiated as a command prompt or PowerShell session. This is a live terminal and the output is real-time. You can also run scripts on the assets. Default scripts are available to use and you can also create your custom ones, or import them from the community library. Finally, you can also remote into the asset. We support 3 remote integrations with ConnectWise Control, TeamViewer, and Splashtop. The Splashtop integration is built in and is bundled with SuperOps.ai. Once enabled, we will deploy and install Splashtop on all your assets and you can remote into the asset with a single click. SuperOps.ai also supports the functionality to wake an asset whenever necessary. Do reach out to us via the in-app chat for any further questions.